Meaning of Dixie.
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 Dixie. Dixie typically refers to the southern United States, particularly the states that seceded from the Union during the American Civil War. It is often associated with a distinctive culture, music genre, and culinary tradition, as well as a complicated history of race relations and systemic oppression. The term has been used in various contexts, including as a nickname for the Confederate States of America. Its meaning and significance have been the subject of ongoing debate and controversy, particularly in the aftermath of recent social and political movements focused on racial justice and equality.